If you're dreaming of an ocean view with a perfect spot to sip your morning coffee or watch the sunset, this might be your ideal room. So come along as I show you around from the spacious interiors to that gorgeous balcony where you'll want to spend all of your time. Welcome aboard our stateroom on the Liberty of the Seas. One fun fact about this cruise is it's just me and our son. My wife is currently in Europe on a riverboat cruise with her mom and a bunch of other ladies on a Christmas market shopping cruise or something. So in this video, we're going to go through our stateroom. Now, just in general, our stateroom is I believe it's a queen bed actually, and it is an adjoining class balcony stateroom. Royal Caribbean has tons of different classes between interior, even just ocean view and balcony rooms. But then the balcony room, they also have suites, but so they are the normal rooms. But then they also have balcony and then adjoining room balcony classes. So that's what we booked. If my parents are here as well, I'll show you the things that come along with that as well. To my left, when you first walk in, is the bathroom. Bathroom is very tight, as you can see, and it's just a shower. A couple of things to note about the bathroom is, if you can see up there, that's to hang your towels or any kind of wet swimsuits or anything. They also do have shampoo and body wash, and there is a little bit of storage in the bathroom as well, and some cabinets here. Also on the back of the door are more hooks to hang towels. Now the next thing here on my right are these are all your closets here. So this is the first closet, plenty of shelving here. This is a double door closet. And here you have plenty of hangers, spaces for suitcases and the life jackets. And here, yeah, more shelving up here. This is where your in-room safe is. And down here is your mini fridge, which is completely empty right now, but you can put water in or other beverages. Notice another thing here. This is the info on the room service. Looks like they do have room service, but there's a little bit of an additional charge. Vanity mirror here. There's a chair also that goes under there, but that's being used for my stand. And flipping around here again some more, we got more shelving, and then here more drawers. There's a hair dryer in here, and just more drawers. Now let's look around. I'll show you the couch. This can be used as a couch, and also I'm going to try to use it as a bed because this cushion does turn around. I think this will work well for my son. This is more close and similar to the size bed that he has at home. Our 3-year-old son absolutely loved the bed. Our wonderful stateroom attendant, Diamond, kept us on our toes with the towel animals he would make at night. He even would incorporate some of my son's items in the scenes. Here's the queen or king, not sure what size the bed is. Each bed does have a nightstand next to it, which is nice. And also this room can be booked either with beds together, or you can separate and have 2 twin beds. There's also a TV here to my left. When we got in, they had multiple announcements, and I don't even know what kind of TV it has. To my left here, this is the first part of the adjoining room, I guess, class feature. This door opens so you can kind of share space with the room next to you, and the same thing on the balcony. So let me show you the balcony. One fun fact we learned from our other cruising is under the bed is there's plenty of storage for suitcases, so they stay out of the way of the room. The balcony was simple, but did add a nice element. It had 2 chairs and an end table in the middle. Having the additional space of the partition being open to the adjoining room really helped open up the space and make it more usable. This is room 1832 when it's on deck 12 towards the front of the ship. Now again, like I said, this is a 4-night Royal Caribbean cruise on the Liberty of the Seas. I'm going to do a separate video kind of about our experience on the cruise. So thanks for watching. If you want to go check that out, please feel free to. And if you want to see what the actual ship looks like, I will hopefully have a video of that as well. So until next time, thanks for watching. Enjoy your adventure.